I can't get out of my seatbelt.
All right.
Now I got in it, but I'm trying to find where to push. And I'm pushing right there and it's not going down. So I tried the other side and it's not going down. I tried squeezing it. I tried going below it. I can't get out of it.
I don't see a button there for you to push. When you buckled it in, which hand did you buckle it in with?
I pushed it down in here. And I heard it click.
Try your right hand.
I can't get my right hand over there.